Hi and welcome to the 3D Mechanical Design YouTube channel. I'm a mechanical engineer with 20 years of experience using SolidWorks. Today, I'll show just how simple it is to make a wire mesh in SolidWorks. If you enjoy the video, please leave a like and a comment, and feel free to suggest ideas for future projects. Let's dive in and get started. As always, begin by selecting the front plane and starting a new sketch. Choose the equation-driven curve tool. For the y, x parameter, input the equation 0.25 times cos x. Why 0.25? The coefficient 0.25 will become clear by the end of the video. For the x range, set x equals 0 and x2 equals pi times 20. Click OK to generate the curve. Next, add centerlines to fully define the sketch geometry. Sketch a vertical line connecting the start of the curve to the origin, and apply a dimension of 0.25 inches. Then, draw another horizontal line linking the two endpoints of the curve to fully define the sketch. Next, use the swept boss base feature. Choose a circular profile with a diameter of 0.5 inches and confirm. Select the top plane and the right plane, then create a reference geometry axis at their intersection. Apply a linear pattern feature, selecting bodies for the pattern type. Set the pattern length to pi times 2. And specify 12 instances along the axis. Confirm to complete the pattern. Select the axis again and apply a second linear pattern. This time, set the pattern length to pi with a quantity of 2. Next, use the mirror tool relative to the top plane. For the features to mirror, select the most recently created curved wire segment. Then, under Tool the Features and Deleted Body, to delete the bodies of the previous wire. At this stage, you will have two wires that are symmetrical about the top plane. Now add a linear pattern to the second wire. Set the pattern length to pi times 2. And the quantity to 11. Confirm the operation. This completes the wire mesh generation along the first direction. The next step is to create wires perpendicular to these first wires to form an intertwined mesh structure. Add a new reference plane parallel to the right plane, offset by a distance of pi, and confirm the operation. On this new plane, create a sketch using the equation-driven curve tool once again. Enter y x equals 0.25 times cos x as the curve equation. Set x1 equals 0, x2 equals pi times 24, and click OK. As with the previous wire, add construction lines to fully define the sketch, and set the vertical dimension to 0.25 inches. Use the swept boss base feature with a circular profile. Disable merge result. And set the profile diameter to 0.5 inches. Click OK to generate the sweep. We see that we need to refine the sketch by placing it to the left. To shift the sketch left by a small amount, return to the sketch, draw a vertical line connecting the curve's endpoints. And assign a dimension of 0.01 inches. Exit the sketch and verify that the new wire mesh element appears as intended. Create an axis between the top and front planes. Using this axis as the direction, apply a linear pattern with a spacing of 2 times pi and a quantity of 10 instances. Proceed to repeat the same steps outlined earlier in the video for constructing the remaining wire mesh geometry. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please support the channel by liking the video and leaving a comment.